How to add more lights in the app. With Philips Hue, you can control up to 50 lights. To add new lights, you'll need your phone and your new Hue bulbs. Make sure the power is off before twisting in your new Philips Hue lights. Then switch the power back on. Next, open the Philips Hue app. Go to Settings and select Light Setup. Then, press the plus icon to add a new light. Go to Search and the app will search for new lights. If the lamp is not found automatically, you can enter the serial number of the light and then tap Search. When your lights are found, you'll see them in the list. Tap your new light in the app and your lamp will blink to show there is a connection. Now name your new light and go to Room Setup. Then select your preferred room. Now you can assign your new lights to the room. They will automatically be included in your existing scenes and timers. Congratulations! You've just extended your Philips Hue system. Hue Personal Wireless Lighting. Innovation in you. Philips.